Sorkar jelaskan Iakren Shua Halor ke Jingpan po
seen
jangka
today
harijan Panchayat
that,
Committee
letter,
HPC
I think,
hadu
Deputy
katayo
CM
bakhadu
in charge,
unailor
Affairs.
pan
So,
airai Halor
I
ke
think we will
Jingterwa
sit
pin
down
kinriak no na
within
tem
this week
meter
itself
tem
among ourselves.
yeu
Then
maulong.
we will,
Usimbut metirang
take a
ba
call
uba
and decide.
Prestone tensong
But sir, the
long
government has
hadin balayo
decided,
ya ka
not to
China
have
ka
any more
HPC ke
discussion.
Sorkar kan
I
syong ya
see,
ke
I just,
Jingelang munta
I
katayo
just,
pan
seen
sim
today
ya ka rai la
that,
kan menjur
letter,
ne em
I
ya
think,
ke Jingpan
Deputy
po
CM in
jong ka
charge,
HPC
Affairs.
laban
So,
kedua bahadin ke
I think
Jingelang
we will
hapden ke
sit down
Sorkar bat ke
within this
HPC
week
ke balak
itself
long
among
ha ke
ourselves.
Sprotrik
Then
mentau
we will,
benai ke HPC
take
ke
a call
8
and
por
decide.
na ke
But sir,
Sorkar
the
khasan
government has
banya
decided
selok biang
not
shua
to have
paramaki
any more
haswa ban
discussion
airai
beyond 15 days.
henry
Sir?
hinne
Yes,
ke
of course,
sngia
we have
pundu
done
trik
that. But
nailar ke
again, we
HPC
received
ke
the,
lakpa da ke siti sya ke
the
Sorkar
request from their
pan
side
pan por
that
shushu
they
hadu
need one
kata
more
yo
meeting.
bakhadu
So
jong
for that, as I
unailar
said to you,
banwan
I'll not
da ke ba
say
aida
anything
ba
right now
kimpat yo
because I
banya
need to
selok
go
bat
on
ki behet no
departmental
elam na
meeting. Then we
Amritsar
sit down
Badelhi.
and see, I just seen today that letter, I think, our Deputy CM in charge urban affairs. So I think we will sit down within this week itself among ourselves. Then we will take a call and decide.
But sir, the government has decided not to have any more discussion beyond 15 days. Sir?
Yes, of course we have done that, but again we received the the request from their side that they need one more meeting. So for that, as I said to you, I'll not say anything right now because I need to call a departmental meeting. Then we sit down and then we'll decide.